What's up, you guys? I'm back. I know it took me a long time to actually upload or make another video, but right now and today is the time to actually eat in front of you guys. So let's go right at it. I got some French fries. I'm guessing they're small or medium. I doubt it's medium. It's small fries. Wait, no, they're medium fries, which is alright. I actually prefer large fries since I'm starving. I haven't ate since the morning. Right now it's like, I don't even know what time it is. 1:22. I haven't eaten since the morning. I woke up at 8 o'clock or 9. But yeah, seriously. We got two mcChickens, the most famous patty ever in life, and the cheapest as well. It's crazy how they actually raised taxes on mcChickens. They were $1. Well, back in the day, once they actually made mcChickens, it was $1. But by the time it actually grew, it was 109 and then 1016, and now it's actually 130. Like, whoa, what's next? $2? Like, no, don't do that. Anyways, I got some ketchup on the side since my parents didn't actually brought me some buffalo sauce, my favorite, and I got inside a mDew voltage, which I still rather have Baja Blast because that's my preference, which is really the best. Anyways, I'm gonna continue eating some mcChickens. I haven't ate McDonald's since centuries. The most that I have eaten was Burger King. Burger King's really good. I love the French fries, especially the chicken nuggets price. How they say $2 for 10 pieces and 20 for $3. Like, whoa, that's crazy. It beats the McDonald's on that price on the mcChickens. I mean, not mcChickens, chicken nuggets. Anyways, let's just go at it. It's crispy. It's good. That's really good. I haven't had mcChicken since, I don't even know, months ago. Anyways, I'm guessing when you don't have that certain specific food for days, it actually tastes really good once you actually try it out. But the ones, like, those times that you actually eat that food constantly, it's not really good, you know? It gets boring. For some reason, I'm tasting mustard with pickles. And that's weird. Maybe the pop. Stupid fly. I hate the small little fries. Oh my god. Flies. They're so annoying. Stupid fly. Trying to eat my food? Back up. They're really hard to kill. Those little petite little flies. Just bzz, loud as buzz. the smallest ever. Like, nigga. You know? Wow. It felt like I just ate a Big Mac. No joke. Whoa, 3D, man. Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot about my fries. In every meal, like let's say I get fries and a burger, I always eat the fries first and then the burger, which I never finish the burger, so I save it for cravings, or not cravings, but munchies, let's just say. It's weird, I don't know why. But somehow today, I just actually went at the burger instead of the fries. Shocking, huh? Anyways, cheers. Oh my god. Ooh, that was a really good one. A really good burp. Oh, I need a haircut, man.